This is a quote by the famous investor and philanthropist, Warren Buffett. It means that the benefits we enjoy today are the result of the efforts and investments made by someone in the past. In this particular case, it refers to the idea that someone who is enjoying the shade today is able to do so because someone planted a tree a long time ago. The quote emphasizes the importance of planning for the future and investing in long-term goals. It encourages us to think beyond our immediate needs and to take actions that will benefit future generations. It also highlights the idea of delayed gratification, where we may not see the benefits of our actions immediately, but over time, they can yield significant results. In a broader sense, the quote can be applied to many aspects of life, such as education, health, and relationships. For example, someone who invests in their education today may not see the benefits immediately, but over time, they may be able to secure a better job and financial stability. Similarly, someone who invests in their health today may not see the benefits immediately, but over time, they may enjoy a longer and more fulfilling life. Overall, the quote reminds us that our actions have consequences, and that we should strive to make positive contributions that will benefit not only ourselves, but also those who come after us. Similarly, in life, the things we enjoy today, whether it be financial stability, a successful career, or a fulfilling relationship, are often the result of actions taken in the past. Those actions may have been difficult or challenging at the time, but they laid the foundation for our current situation. The quote reminds us that we should be mindful of our actions and decisions today because they will have consequences that ripple into the future. Just as planting a tree today will provide shade in the future, investing time and effort into our goals and dreams today will pay dividends in the future.